Okay, gets?
Yes.
Sige daw, ikaw, B, you try. Okay, answer. So, you write muna, 5 times 3. Sige, 5 times 3. How many, what is the answer? You write 5. Did it was 5? You write 5 times x 3. Magkano? Ilan? Equals, ilan answer? 5 times 3. 5. Another 5. Pila? Susunod. Tatlo lang. 3 lang. 3. Okay. Sama to. 5. Sunod. 10. Uy! Excuse me. 15. 18 ka karon. No, 15. So you write 15. Okay, bring down the last number, the 5 here, bring down.